Year and Happy January. And for January, for Global Revival Church, this is also a year of revival, a year of resurrection, and also it is also a year of evangelism. So come on, souls, come to Christ, so that we have this, so that we enjoy the power and the full manifestation of the glory of God. But what I want to talk about today is very fundamental. Is this topic that says the power of the prophetic blessing. The power of the prophetic blessing. Because you have to understand, the Bible says every person is, every individual in the book of Corinthians, that each and every person is a prophet. We walk in the fullness of the prophetic. But the Bible says that my sheep hear my voice in the book of John. Meaning the sheep is talking about is everyone who is a believer is a sheep. But it's not talking about a sheep of having being the sheep of an animal. But it's talking this as it being him being the shepherd and the sheep being shepherded by the shepherd. So they hear the voice of the shepherd. When the shepherd says something, they will listen to the instruction of the shepherd. That's why they say, my sheep hear my voice. So you have to understand there is the power of the prophetic blessing. Because we have to know there was a man called Jacob and Esau. So these two people were brothers. But you have to understand they were the brothers. There's something that happened when they was about to receive, or they were about to be proclaimed the prophetic blessing. Wherever there is prophetic blessing, there is success. That's why you see up to the 4th generation from Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, there was the prophetic blessing was being flown from them. There was success because of the prophetic blessing. When there's the prophetic blessing of favor, when there's the prophetic blessing of prosperity, when there's the prophetic blessing of something in your life, the flow will flow up to the 4th generation. So you have to understand that Jacob received the prophetic blessing. That's why he was able to be successful, because of the grace. Even though his brother inherited the things from his father, but Jacob came from nothing, but he had almost the same or above goods from his brother when they met Esau. So you have to understand that the prophetic blessing is so powerful that you can have the prophetic blessing, or you can have the grace. You can have nothing, but someone has millions of dollars, someone has properties, someone has something, but you are starting from scratch. But by the end of the period of time, or by the end of 10 years or 15 years, you'll be almost the same or above. Because the blessing is a blessing of increase. Wherever there is a blessing of the prophetic blessing, there is an increase that happens in life. Wherever there is favor, it's generation blessed. So you have to understand the prophetic blessing is very important. That's why every time you should always impart your children when they are born, say you are supposed to be like this and this and this. It's a prophetic blessing. When you're prophetic is just speaking into the atmosphere, and you're speaking into whoever you're speaking into, so that the things will manifest. Some of the prophecies are not coming into manifestation because you're given the prophecies, but you are in charge of that prophecy, because it says life and death is in the power of the tongue. So when the blessing is uttered, the enemy also fights the prophetic blessing. So you need to keep on fighting until you see that blessing come into existence. Some people do some things to make that blessing come into existence. So you need to be very careful. You need to be very walking in. You need to walk in the fullness and the power of God, because the prophetic blessing is very important. Because the prophetic blessing can be passed from generation to generation. Elijah, if you look in the prophetic office, that prophetic blessing was passed from Elijah to Elisha, even though Elisha wasn't a prophet. So a prophetic blessing can be passed down to someone who doesn't have a prophetic office. So we need to understand something. The prophetic blessing is very important, because if you are a prophet now, you know what's happening. You know what's happening. You know who's your enemy. You know what to carry. You know what to invest in. You know what not to do, because God is always on your side, because you got the prophetic blessing. So when you need the prophetic blessing to operate in your life, because when you have the prophetic blessing, you are just a spirit that is just working here in the physical. Whatever happens, you know it before it happens. So you use wisdom, which is the right application of knowledge, to begin to walk in this earth. People will call you a wise man because of the prophetic blessing. So you need the prophetic unction or the prophetic gifting in your life, but it can also come through the prophetic blessing. So the prophetic blessing is very important. So whenever you've got children or even pastors, you need to bless your sons and daughters in the church in the prophetic blessing so that they walk in the spirit. So stay blessed. May you be unlocked in the prophetic blessing.